And the Jamaican Institute of Architects president has also blasted the government for what he says is an obvious extended delay in making the sitting of Parliament accessible to physically disabled persons. He says in the last administration, proposals were made on how to make Gordon House accessible, but notes that has been put on hold. With the Prime Minister's announcement that a new Parliament building is to be constructed at Heroes Circle, he's now upset that for some, attending a parliamentary sitting is now at least 3 years away.
The design competition winner will not be announced till January or February 2019. It's going to take a couple months to prepare documents for construction, and then you have to tender the project, and then construction. In the meantime, Gordon House remains a seat of government of this nation and is not accessible. Are there any plans to do anything to Gordon House in this ensuing 3 years of inaccessibility? Or are we to be happy that at some point in the future we will have a parliament building that will be accessible?
Once we are returned to power, we will continue to advance the work to making the parliament accessible. Because when I left the parliament as president in 2016, we had gotten funds approved to purchase one of those wheelchair lifts that would run along the spine of the staircase and take a wheelchair user up into the parliamentary building.